Hello guys, this is my StoryPedia. Welcome to another video. Today we discuss about insurance. There are many kinds of insurance in this world, such as life insurance, health insurance, and car insurance, etc. Today we discuss about insurance. First, we know what is insurance. Insurance is the money making a plan. We know more about what is insurance and how it works, including its mechanism and guideline principle of insurance. We know the first name, mobile number, and date of birth to get quiet. An insurance policy plan is an contract between an individual policyholder and an insurance company provider. Under the contract, you pay regular amount of money as premiums to the insurance, and they pay you if the sum assured one unfortunately event arises. For example, ultimately damage of the life insurance and accident or damage to a house. Let's know more about what is insurance and what are the various benefits, features, and types of insurance available in India and many other countries. Insurance based on insurance based on the insurance terms, the insurance provides a lump sum amount to the policyholder and nominee in case of an eventuality. The choice of a specific type of insurance policy is made based on individual needs and life goals. There are various components of an insurance policy, a firm understanding of which helps a lot in choosing the plan that is most suitable for our needs. There are many insurance companies. Example, here are some of these companies to help you better understand what is insurance and how it is work. Insurance premium policy. The premium of an insurance policy is the amount that you need to pay. You need to pay purchase a specific amount of insurance cover. It is typically expected as a regular cost, be it monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or annually that you incur during the premium payment term. There are various factors based on which an insurance company calculate the premium of an insurance policy. The idea benefit is to check the eligibility of an insurance individual for the specific type of insurance policy that he or she wants to buy. For example, if you are healthy and do not have a medical history of getting treatment for severe body disease, you will likely to pay less for health insurance or life insurance policy than someone suffering from multiple ailments. You should also know that different insurance companies may ask for different premium for similar type of policies. So selecting the right one at the price you can afford does require some effort. Policy limit. What is policy limit? It is defined as the maximum amount that an insurance company is liable to pay for the loss covered under the insurance policy. It is determined based on the period, policy term, loss or injury, and similar of factor. Typically, higher the policy limit, higher will be the premium payable for a life insurance policy. The maximum amount that an insurance pays to the nominee is known as the sum assured. Deductible Deductible related to an insurance policy is the amount or percentage that the policyholder agrees to pay out of pocket before the insured sits in to settle a claim. You can also think of it is a deterrent to small, insignificant claim that many people file under their insurance policy. Deductibles are applicable per policy or per claim as defined by the term of specific type of policy. Generally, insurance policies bought with high deductible are less expensive as the higher out-of-pocket expense result in fewer claims. So guys, we know now how does insurance work. Insurance, how does insurance work? As definitely above, an insurance policy is a legal contract that binds both policyholder and the insurance company towards each other. It has all the detail of the conditions or circumstances under which either the insured individual or policy nominee receive insurance benefits from the insurance. Insurance is a method by which you can protect yourself and your loved ones for facing a financial crisis. You buy any insurance policy for the sum, while the insurance company takes the risk enrolled and offer insurance covered at a specific premium. In case of any individual, the insurance or nominee can file a claim with the insured based on the evaluation criteria for claims. The insurance reviews the claim application and steals the claim. So guys, we know now types of insurance in India. There are four most common type of insurance that people buy are such as life insurance, health insurance, motor insurance, and home insurance. So guys, in this video we know about insurance and how many types of insurance. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe our channel. And if you know about more and more about insurance, please thumbs up this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much to watch for watching this video. Thank you so much.